Hey everyone, today I want to walk you through step-by-step how to create a landing page for free using ConvertKit. We've been using ConvertKit for almost 2 years now for all of our email marketing because it's really easy to use and intuitive. What really makes ConvertKit stand out is your ability to segment your audience and set up automated email sequences. Now that ConvertKit has unlimited landing pages, as well as the ability to send emails to up to 500 subscribers, it's the ideal choice for beginners. If you're just starting your business, you could even use one of their landing pages as your home page until you have the time to build out your full website. Now to get started building your first landing page with ConvertKit, I'll put a link down below in the description to sign up for your free plan. This is our affiliate link, so if you decide to later upgrade to a paid plan, we'll receive a small commission at no extra cost to you. Also in the description, I'll leave a link to ConvertKit's guide to landing pages. In the guide, it'll walk you through why landing pages are such a powerful tool to help you grow your business online, as well as more information on how to use their landing page software. Once you've signed up for the landing page, you'll be ready to follow along and build your first landing page in ConvertKit. Why don't we now hop on the computer and I'll show you how easy it really is. So when you get into ConvertKit, it's going to look something like this. You probably don't have any subscribers yet. Also, if you're on the free plan, you're not going to have automations or the sequences. But let's go to landing pages and forms. Create new. Landing page. Then let's create one for an ebook. And I'll walk you through the mission form today. The first thing you may want to do is give it a name. YouTube guide. Here on this image, you basically would put the cover of your ebook. So I'll add that. You can upload whatever file you want there. Then add the headline, get started on YouTube. Everything you need to start your channel. Okay, that could be the whole top section, and you'll see down below you have describe your product, add details, join the newsletter. I wrote all this stuff earlier, so you don't have to watch me type it all. I'll copy and paste it in. One of the things you'll notice here is this plus symbol. So you could add a file, a numbered list, unordered list, create a quote. Let's create an unordered list, which are bullets. And now I could easily just turn this whole section into bullets. There's that. Then I could update this. Sign up to get the guide. Maybe I just delete this section. And then here, the only thing it's asking for right now is an email address. Maybe if you want to ask for something else, you can hit this plus button. And then you'll see another field pops up and you can select what it's for. So first name. So it's now going to collect first name. I think you should ask for first name and then email. So I'll switch these two around. Subscribe. Let's change that to get the guide and in cap locks. And there's that. So the next thing I want to do is maybe some small customization. So this isn't our actual color blue. I can actually update the hex code. That's our blue. And that's really the basics of getting the landing page set up. Now I can go and click this and go through the style. So here you can update the fonts for the headings and the body. If we look at the border color, let's use our blue again. The border size, content background, again, let's use same blue. If you get down below, there's a background image. I'm not sure what the background is exactly, so let's just put an image there and see what happens. Okay, yeah, that doesn't look great. And so let's just get rid of it. Okay, back to how it was. So you can see that's basically the style options that you have. You could add custom CSS here as well. Okay, after styles, let's go into settings. Okay, here you want to choose your domain. So ConvertKit is going to create a domain for you, which is this one. You can also add custom URLs within the free plan. I'm not going to walk you through this step by step today, but I'll put a link down below that ConvertKit has an article that'll walk you through step by step. It's really pretty easy. but we already have ebook.thefigco.com, so let's use that. And then basically what's the rest of the URL? Let's go with getting started YouTube 2020. And then we could add, and then now this, oops, I think I already created that. Let's get rid of the 2020. Add. Okay, that's the link for this landing page now. This part about when a visitor subscribes, I'm gonna come back to in just a little bit. So now the email piece of it. So do you wanna send an incentive email or not? And do you wanna auto-confirm subscribers or not? So auto-confirm is there's no double opt-in email saying, hey, do you wanna be part of this list? I would recommend doing that, but you can also send them the guide at the same time that they confirm their email, which is what I'm gonna walk you through right now. So let's edit the email contents. So here's what the basic email looks like, where basically confirm your subscription, click this button. I wrote the email, let me update this really quickly and then I'll show you what I did. Okay, so now I updated the subject for the guide, and then let's see, you're here, here's your guide to getting started. Click the link below to get the guide and confirm your subscription. So I want to update the button now to say get the guide and confirm your subscription. Okay, and then again, I think I can update that to our blue color. Okay, so here's the confirmation email as well as sending out the guide. So let's save that. And then now they want to, after confirming, redirect to either a URL, so you could send them to a specific page, or you could upload the guide to a specific URL and they could download it there, or you could actually add the guide here by choosing the file, which is what I'm going to do. So basically after someone confirms their email, they're going to get this guide immediately. Okay, now moving on to advanced settings. This is basically to decide what to show someone if they've already been on your page before. Let's not mess with it. And then here you'll see SEO and analytics. So if you share this link somewhere to this URL, what do you want to show up in the title and the description? Again, I wrote this, so I'll fill it in. Let's add the same image from the ebook, which is right here. Okay. And then you'll see down below, if you want to connect Google Analytics, your Facebook pixel, Pinterest, or segment, you can do that at the very bottom here. So that's pretty much everything you need for the landing page. The next thing I'll show you how to do is if you want to create a thank you page, which is this button here. Again, let's change the name. YouTube guide, thanks. Okay, again, let's change this image to the ebook cover. Then here say your guide is on the way. Okay, so that could be what someone gets right after they sign up. And then down below there's another section here. And so maybe I want to add a little bit of information there. I'll copy and paste it in. Okay, so maybe I'll put something at the bottom like this. Good luck getting your YouTube channel off the ground. If you're looking for further help with your channel, you can watch our Grow Your YouTube Channel video playlist here, or if you're looking for more individualized help, please fill out the form here. Then I can add the links to both of the things that I mentioned. So here's where I'll put the URL for our YouTube playlist. And this would be the contact form from our website. Okay. And so that is the thank you page. Again, let's fix the blue. There we go. See if there's anything in settings. Again, fonts and other stuff here. But I think that's essentially it. So we have the thank you page. we have the landing page. Let's save it. Form was successfully updated. Now we can see what the preview looks like. All right, so here's essentially what our landing page is going to look like. What do you think? Okay, now if we go back to settings, there's one last thing I needed to do. So we've got the link to the landing page here. The one thing we want to do is, now before we only had show success message or redirect to an external page. Now we have the option to redirect to thank you page. So let's choose that. Okay, save. And then let's share it. So I can copy. Okay, so here's what the live landing page looks like. Let me fill it out. Get the guide. Here's the thank you page. So here's the email that I got after signing up on the landing page. And let's click the confirm my subscription. So there's the ebook after signing up on the landing page and confirming my email. All right, now you know how to build a landing page using ConvertKit. The next step that I would think about is, what do you want to give away once someone gets to that landing page? Would it be an ebook, a checklist, maybe you're going to host a webinar? To give you some ideas, I'd encourage you to check out the video that I'll link to up above here. If after going through this tutorial you realize that you want a landing page software that maybe has more customizations and is a little bit more advanced, I'd encourage you to watch this video that I'll link to up above, which will walk you through how to build a landing page with LeadPages. That's what we usually use for most of our landing pages. ConvertKit is basically an email marketing software, and it's amazing that their free plan now includes landing pages. So if you're looking for a low-cost option, it's by far the best, but there's a lot of other options out there if you're looking for something that's more customizable. That's all I have for today's video. As always, if you have any questions or comments, you can always leave those down below in the comment section and we can respond to you there. If you want to learn more about email marketing, landing pages, and things like that, I'd encourage you to watch this playlist that I put together along the side here. And if you want to watch another one of our videos, YouTube thinks you should watch the one down below. Until next time, bye.